To be remembered is a matter of choice, but to be forgotten is something that you cannot choose simply because it's inevitable. Yo, musta? It's your boy Kiru. Back at it again with some yapping session na naman. Pero ngayon, ngayong hapon, samahan nyo lang mag-journal. Kasi matagal na rin yung, ewan ko, nakalimutan ko nung kailan yung last kong pagsusulat. So, I just wanna write about something. Yun lang, tara, samahan nyo ako. Featuring my cat, Hershey. Bye. Woo! Hershey. Woo! Come on, bro. Ano mapagsulat nito, di ba? Ito yung notebook ko and I bought this last 2025 or feeling ko 2024, nakalimutan ko na. Basta binili ko to after mawala ng pinakauna kong notebook. And yeah, ever since dito na ako nagsusulat. So yeah, I've been writing since 2023, I think. Yung reason nun kung bakit, my main reason kung bakit nag-start ako mag-journal is that wala kasi akong mapagsabihan ng, alam mo yun, ng nararamdaman ko. Although meron naman, but like, during those years, you know, I'm having a hard time on expressing myself and being vulnerable with someone, even my friends. So, you know, I find naghanap ako ng alternative at healthy way para ma-process yung mga thoughts na, I mean, tumatakbo sa utak ko. Diba? Para naman, I mean, mailabas ko kahit papaano. So, yeah. Basically, writing was my outlet since then. But anyways, I'm gonna write. You should behave. You should behave. You should behave. Ay, you should behave. No. Archie, stop. I'm gonna write.
I want to write about the paradox feeling between wanting to disappear and be forgotten, and wanting to be found and be remembered. So I've been feeling this kind of feeling talaga ever since, pero ngayon ko lang siya nararamdaman ng sobra, or maybe ngayon ko lang ine-entertain ng maayos tong feeling na to. Okay, let's get to the main point. Bakit ko nga ba ito nararamdaman? So when it comes to point number 1, which is yung wanting to disappear and be forgotten, I don't know, but at some point, I felt hostile sa mga taong nakakilala sa akin. Parang hindi ko na sila maramdaman. Maybe because sobrang familiar ko na sa kanila. Pero hindi eh. The thought of being perceived as someone sometimes overwhelms and drains me at the same time. Kasi ayokong makulong lang ako sa iisang definisyon ng ibang tao sa akin. Although, yes, we shouldn't care about what other people thinks about us. At minsan kasi, ang pangit pakinggan ng phrase na kilala ko na yan. Parang minsan, ayaw ko silang ma-disappoint na surprise, hindi na ako yung taong kilala mo way back. Kasi naman, di ba, we are changing day by day because we're supposed to. We're supposed to change and we are supposed to grow. Point number 2. Kaya gusto kong mag-disappear at makalimutan is because I want to live my life quietly without everybody knowing. Kasi diba, there's nothing to destroy if nothing is shown. Although, alam ko namang hindi yun ganon, but I hope it makes sense. Tsaka at some point, gusto ko lang din talaga mag-focus sa buhay ko ngayon. Kaya I've been deactivating my socials recently para hindi ako makasagap ng kung ano-anong balita about other people na hindi ko naman kailangan. But don't get me wrong ha. I wanna see my friends win. Sobra. Pero parang yung energy ko right now is, sapat lang muna for myself. Next naman is wanting to be seen and be remembered. Ever since, eto na talaga yung default ko na kesyo, I wanna live a life so meaningful that my absence would make an impact or would have an impact sa ibang tao na kesyo, pag nawala ako, I want to be remembered as someone who's insert something good na nagawa mo. Of course, lahat tayo, some of y'all also wants to be remembered and wants to be forgotten as well. Kasi being remembered means you lived a life purposely. Right? Pero bakit kaya ganun? May mga tao namang naaalala sila because of the bad things that they have done in the past. Right? So, given this thoughts of mine, I have a realization, which is to be remembered is a matter of choice, but to be forgotten is something that you cannot choose simply because it is inevitable. Like, imagine this. 1,000 years from now, or even billion years from now, who would have even remember IShowSpeed, PewDiePie, or even Mr. Beast? I know, it's an absurd comparison, but the point is, eventually, at the end of the time, we will all just be a speck of a dust drifting across the dark, vast, and continuously expanding voidness of the universe. So, just be.